In this shorts video today, I'm going to be showing you the best Roblox promo codes that you can use right now to get free Robux. You can actually get a promo code to get 10,000 Robux for completely free, taking just a few minutes, guys. And once you have your code, you can redeem it in the Roblox redeem code page. And yeah, it is going to supply your Roblox account the Robux. So before I show you this method, I'm doing a huge gift card giveaway as well. So to enter the giveaway, simply like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for brand new tutorials and methods. So anyway, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the video and show you how to get these Roblox promo codes for free Robux. So as you can see, guys, this is where you've got to enter your code once I show you how to get it. So you enter it into the redeem Roblox codes and on the Roblox website. But yeah, what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your code, and then you can redeem it on whatever platform you play on. But it's just easier on your mobile phone, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it in like this, Crash Coupons. And yeah, this is a game code website. They don't only have Roblox codes, of course, they have pretty much everything else as well. So I'm just going to use the search bar and type in Roblox promo codes. So it is very important you type promo codes, because if you just type Roblox, you're going to get tons of different Roblox game codes. You just need to search for Roblox promo codes. So yeah, this page here, guys. Now, there is a code on here that's going to give you 10,000 Robux. These are secret promo codes. So here we go. Roblox, get 10,000 Robux for free. These are limited codes, but they are verified, working in 2026. Definitely the best codes, guys. And trust me when I say I spent hours trying codes. So basically, these are limited codes and it prevents people taking more than one of them. So your personal code has been allocated and it is locked. As you can see, it says your code is ready and the code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So the code is currently hidden. Now, what you're going to need to do, I've already done this, so I won't do it again. Like I said, the codes are limited to one per person, and I did this earlier. But you need to click on that button where it says get full code, and you're going to see a new screen. And there is going to be a set of instructions, guys. It only takes about 5 minutes, but it is completely free. Just complete a couple of the free tasks. They're basically like playing games and installing apps and stuff. Really easy. You can remove the apps once you've done that. But anyway, once you do that, your code will be shown in this box, and then you can redeem it in that redeem code part of the Roblox website. So you grab your code from Crash Coupons, enter it into here. Once you're logged in, and yeah, that is going to supply your account 10,000 free Robux. So it is super easy, guys. Just go to Crash Coupons and then search for the Roblox promo codes page. Very important you type promo codes to find this page, guys. And that is how to get free Robux. So hope you enjoyed. This is working right now in 2026. Like and subscribe for that gift card giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video.